Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Easter Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to take a Dollar Tree planter. I love the texture on this one. I don't necessarily like the colors for spring, so what we're going to do is just brighten this up. I just went over mine with some ivory paint. I used some chalk paint, but acrylic paint would work fine for this too. I want the wood look, but I want it to be like a white board look to be a bright, like fun Easter display. I want to fill this up with Easter greenery, a little Easter bunny and gingham, and make it really cute. So this is what it looks like with one coat of a white. I found that the white chalk paint did cover that dark color better, at least in one coat. And then I just add some Dollar Tree foam here to the bottom, and we're going to fill up this little planter pot with some reindeer moss to kind of give me a fill to start with. I found this greenery at the Dollar Tree, the little green picks. These are great because they're individually. You don't have to cut anything apart. And I like the fern look for like a little carrot patch. I think that looks cool too. So I just went all the way around, spreading those out. And then I'm going to use some bottle brush carrots from the Dollar Tree. I think these are really cute. And I'm just going to arrange those around the edges of the pot so it'll be really visible that it's a carrot patch. For the bunny, I'm using these little bunny legs from the Dollar Tree. They have blue and white gingham legs with little fluffy bunny feet. They're nice and large for a DIY like this. I think they're going to work well, and they're already on pick, so that's great. Mine were a little bit longer than I needed them to be, so I just shortened mine a little bit and then put them down into the foam of our little faux carrot patch. Now it's time to fill it up a little bit more. I have some more of those little green fern picks, and I just scatter those around and make it look really full. You could also use that greenery at the Dollar Tree that looks like the carrot tops. I use that a lot. And then I just went around the edges and filled it up with a little bit more of the floral moss to finish off our little carrot patch. Now I thought that the pot was really cute, but I thought I could use a little dose of Easter too. So what I'm going to do is attach bunnies. These are little craft kits from the Dollar Tree with the little bunnies, but really only thing I want out of this is the little white felt bunnies. I don't want to add any color or anything to these, so I'm not going to use the actual pieces, but you could if you wanted. I just want to attach these with hot glue, just working my way around the flower pot just for fun. This is not going to be an outdoor decoration, so I don't have to worry about the felt getting dirty outside. This is just going to be a little indoor carrot patch, and that added a little bit of fun Easter to the outside of the pot as well. This is how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, you should check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. I have hundreds of videos over there. And until next time, happy crafting.